The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge has just been leaked, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. Samsung is pushing the boundaries of design with an even more immersive edge display that seamlessly curves around the device. The bezels are practically invisible, making it one of the most stunning displays we've seen. The back is equally impressive with a sleek glass finish and a new camera layout that's both futuristic and minimalistic. Rumors suggest upgraded materials for enhanced durability, alongside a more refined frame that feels premium in every way. Samsung seems to be redefining edge technology, bringing a truly bezel-less experience with vibrant colors and sharper clarity. If these leaks are true, the S25 Edge might just be the most beautiful Galaxy phone yet. What do you think of this design? Let me know in the comments.